everyone, this is another Pandemic Traveller video, and today I'm down at Cremorne Wharf, and I'm going to go for a little bit of a wander through the streets of Cremorne just to show you what it's like living in the North Sydney suburb of Cremorne in Sydney. So here we have the ferry station. Looks like a ferry might be coming over as we speak. We have the awesome view of the city, Opera House and Harbour Bridge. Let's go for a wander. At the moment we're in Cremorne Reserve. Welcome to Cremorne Point. Alright, so I'm a little bit lost with my directions at the moment. Hopefully I'm walking towards the car. We'll see. A little bit different to where I live. Bit of building going on over there. Maybe if I get enough likes and subscribes, I could possibly rent out a room in a house here for a day. Show you how the other half live. So I hope you've enjoyed the view of the streets of Cremorne. We just had a little bit of a walk to show you what it looks like around here, some of the architecture and houses. So once again, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If there's anywhere you would like me to visit that's doable for me during lockdown, so basically anywhere in the Sydney area, please leave a comment. If you have any questions about where I've been, please leave a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe because it really helps. Peace out, Pandemic Traveler.